What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, come join us in the Discord. The link is in the description below. Today we're going to learn how to play Sand in My Boots by Watah, and this was requested by Asher over on the Discord. So grab your ukuleles and let's go jam. Okay, so let's go over the chords for this song first. We're going to play E flat, cover this bottom string here on the first fret, top 3 strings on the 3rd fret. Well, for you guys it'll be like this, covering the 2nd string and the 3rd string on the 2nd string and 3rd string on the 3rd fret. We're also going to play an A flat. We're going to bar this 3rd fret right here. We're going to cover the top string on the 5th fret and the 2nd string on the 4th fret. We're going to play B flat. We're going to cover the bottom 2 strings here on the 1st fret, cover the 3rd string, 2nd fret, top string, 3rd fret. Okay, and then we're also going to play a C minor. So for you guys, it's just going to cover the bottom 3 strings here on the 3rd fret. For me, it's just going to look like this because I have this bass string at the top. Okay? Okay, let's go over the structure for this song. We're going to start with an intro, and then we have verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, then there's a little bit of an instrumental, then we have a pre-chorus, and then it goes into the chorus, and we end with an outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed, and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So first, let's see, this is how we're gonna play the intro. It's very slow. We're just gonna do like this. It's gonna be E flat, A flat, B flat, and E flat again. Okay, really easy for the intro. How we play the verse is we're going to go with C minor, A flat, B flat, and then E flat. C minor, A flat, B flat. We've got C flat, C minor again, A flat, B flat, then E flat, C minor, A flat, B flat, and then E flat. Okay, so the second verse is kind of different how we play it. So it's gonna start with E flat, A flat, B flat, and then E flat again, and then C minor, A flat, and B flat twice, and then E flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, C minor, A flat, B flat, and then E flat. Okay? So practice that one. So first verse and the second verse, play it different. Now we're going to go into the chorus. So how to play the chorus is we're going to play E flat twice. And then B flat twice again. Okay? So let me show you guys that in slow time. So all together it's going to go like this. E flat. Now I'm dodging potholes. Then A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, and then B flat 2 times. E flat 2 times. A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, B flat, and then E flat. So the instrumental is going to be played like this: C minor, E flat, A flat, 2 times, C minor, E flat, and then A flat 2 times again. And then you go into this pre-chorus, which is going to be, so to play the pre-chorus, we're going to start, and the pre-chorus comes after that instrumental, okay? So it's going to sound like this: E flat twice, A flat, E flat, and then B flat twice, and then into the chorus, okay? And then for the outro, it's gonna sound, we're gonna be playing C minor, A flat, B flat 2 times, and then it's just out, okay? Okay, so we broke it down by structure of the song. Let's play it all together. Let's see how it sounds all together. You guys ready? Here we go. Start with the intro. Okay, verse 1. We're gonna get into the chorus now. Ready? E flat 2 times. E flat, A flat, chorus, the instrumental, pre-chorus, okay, chorus again. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if this video helped you, make a small donation with the thank you button down below. If you have a request for a tutorial, you can come to the Discord. That's where you can make your request. The link is in the description, as well as the link to merch. Thanks a lot, Katsu, and I will see you guys next week. Okay then.